Hello and welcome to a very special Sunday stroll. Lovely Liz here, and I am at the Falkirk Wheel up in Scotland, and we brought our lovely friend Julia, MSc teacher from Dublin, over, and we thought we'd delight in some engineering feat. And this won some award in 2002, and basically you can see the wheel behind me. Well, you can see the complex behind me, and I've made a little video which I will show you of the wheel in action. So basically this aqueduct at the top here replaces, I think Julia said, 11 lock system. So to bring people down, the canal boats down to the water level here. And it takes about just under 5 minutes to rotate 180 degrees. And I think I read that it takes the energy of 8 kettles. So it's very environmentally friendly. Anyway, we might be able to see the aqueduct a little bit later, but we'll see. All right, bye-bye for now. Enjoy. So now we have come down the road. Hope it's not too windy. Can you see we're here and we're visiting the Kelpies, and the lovely Julia was reading to us and said that the Kelpies are the largest equine sculpture in the world. So we're going to go close and have a much better look. So enjoy with us. Look at this here. This is the thistle, Scotland's national symbol, emblem. It's looking really delightful actually along here, the edge of the canal. Cloud as well. I wonder if I can go a bit further out. Yes, a little bit. It's going along here. Going around the Kelpies. See if I can go from the other side. So got the canal coming in here. And it actually goes between, the locks are between the two Kelpies. And I love that even the paving stones have been, you know, they're sympathetic, the colouring with the metal of the Kelpies. Got a few locks going down here. Or two. So I've made it to the other side. Come out a little bit. There we are. That's the second Kelpie. Canal going off down there. Absolutely beautiful day. Here we have so a little coda, just like Mary T does. I've just been talking to one of the locals here who were explaining that the Kelpies are, I should probably stop walking and just talk to you. The Kelpies are here celebrating that they used to walk and pull the barges along the towpath. So this is here celebrating the contribution these animals have made to creating this environment of Scotland that we're in currently. So the Kelpies and the Falkirk Wheel, funnily enough, by Falkirk. So if you're in this neck of the woods, well worth a visit. Absolutely stunning. I mean, look at them. All right, bye-bye for now. Take good care. So that concludes our adventure with the lovely Catherine and the amazing, incredible Julia. Got to get Julie to the airport now, so I will sign off the Self-Compassion Stroll. Hope you've enjoyed the Kelpies as much as we have. They really are stunning beasts. Incredible. I mean, just look at them. Just incredible. So, until next time, go gently and sending you bucket loads of love. Bye for now.